Fuck, man. Let's go. Fucking bitch. Let's go. Let's get a support. Come on, pussy. There you go. Come on. All day. Don't think about it. Come on. We got to trick this guy. Come on. Come on. Take one up. Come on. Come on. Fucking serious? Come on. Let's go. Fuck! Go! Again. Lightweight. All day. Come on, go. Good job, man. What are you gonna do it, Judge?
Hey everybody, ABF Renegades. Where are we? Where are we? Yo, dude, who's this kid? Who's this kid? Scott, you want to get into it or no?
No.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, good night.
We're at IHOP, and...
Dude, this dude's about to crush 12 pancakes.
What? Yo, and the waitress was like, I don't know if you can do it or not. I'm like, what? You have no faith. Faith is the key word. Spell that for me, guys. F-A-I-T-H. Faith. You gotta have it. I'm gonna beat the shit out of these 12 pancakes. I'm gonna pound them. Let's go. Let's see where the magic happens. Dina, can I get up?
Yo, get up. Ah, dude, my quads.
IHOP, baby. Yo, the quads. Why are you making me get up?
They are hurting, dude.
This is where the magic happens. Hi. Oh, man. Hell yeah. Hello. Oh. Oh. She said stop doing it. We're going to stop doing that for now. These are heavy. All right, here's what I got, guys. 12 pancakes and I'm gonna eat all those. I'm gonna eat all this stuff. 12 pancakes.
Oh, you're no.
Yeah, he's just no. Yeah, this is just. I can do all this, right?
This is him.
No, I can't do it.
I don't know.
Tell me what you feel right now.
Yeah,
Can I do it?
You're not gonna feel good after.
No, yes, sir. I won't feel good.
We'll finish him.
You could do it.
Have faith in JoJo.
All right. I'm
Okay.
just telling you, them Cinestacks are real heavy.
I know.
Can you love him?
Hey.
Oh no. No.
Them are real heavy pancakes.
Oh, look at this guy.
I start with them. Yeah.
Yeah, good idea. I'm start with these.
So I'm turning to stop doing it. How do you feel right now, Dan? Dude, I just got out of the gym, 3 hours, put in some heavy ass work on some deads, broke a PR, hit 365 for. Look at the pancakes. Dude, I got like 10 pancake series, got 12.
Now, here's Joe Rich over here on the other hand. Whipped cream dripping off the tip of the plate.
Yo, this is going right.
Cinnamon dripping off his chin. And he loves it. Oh, you didn't see this plate, did you? Oh, look at that. Bam, bam, bam. Trifecta.
All kinds of pancakes. They're like landmines.
Double stacker. Double stacker for Digger Dan, shredded mini meat.
Oh, my God. Dude, I'm beaten.
And you got Joe Rich beating down the trifecta.
I'm beaten. Yo, dude, these are so good.
Look at the smile on these guys' faces right now. This is what you get with gains. Smiles and trifectas. 2 thumbs up, Dan?
2 thumbs up. Yo, hit your numbers. That's my boy. Yo, hit your numbers. That's my boy right there. And then you're allowed to have these days. Look at it.
Okay, who's gonna win in a bodybuilding competition? Your tip will depend on this. Okay, listen. Who's gonna win? Matt Ogus or Joe Rich? Who will win in a bodybuilding competition? Your tip depends on this.
I'm gonna go with Joe Rich.
Joe Rich. 2-0. She guessed right. Good for you.
Yeah.
12 pancakes, no fake. I crushed it.